Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Yes. Um, Maybe today, very important concept, main concepts we are starting joins, constraints, subqueries. Those all the things are most powerful up to now. Practice purpose, just a select statement writing. You have an idea means then easily understandable all the concept. That's why slowly we are telling about some fundamental. Okay, yeah. But before we are going to start that joins and all these things, these all knowledges are required. But before we are going to start those joins, main concept means screen observe it. First initial stage I am telling operators are used in select statement I am telling, then functions I am telling, but in that functions the character functions we are telling, date functions we are telling, and date conversions we are learning, and group functions through group by, having, order by we are learning only. But unfortunately, screen observe it. Here another functions are there, that is less importance also we are learning only, that is number functions. Up to now I am not telling only number functions also there are not. Yes, here those number functions fastly I am telling only some three functions are important, whenever necessary we are using that purpose. That's why first number functions I am telling, then only main concepts we are starting only today onwards, joins and all these things. Okay, yeah, so now we write it. So now number functions, number function that is, write it side heading, number functions, number functions, number functions, write it. Number functions are very easy. This number functions are operate over number data. Number functions are operate over number data. First one, observe here, very easy. ABS. ABS means absolute. Absolute keyword is not there. Absolute function, this one, ABS. This is less important, but better to know what is this one. ABS. Open and close parenthesis, write it. ABS means absolute only. Okay, now Oracle Corporation giving ABS. Where we are using a what ABS absolute means, nothing is there. Whenever in a project side, whenever, okay, so now here we are calculating something, in that case, so many times negative sign it will be displayed. I don't want to display negative sign. I want to convert this one into where positive sign, positive number, then we go for absolute function. What is that one? Means syntax is not required. Very easy, this one. Now check it out. Screen observe it here. Now suppose select ABS absolute of, here negative sign, in a minus 10, minus 20, minus 50, anything also from dual, now automatically it is written into a positive number. That's why whenever negative calculations are there, in that case in a final output I want to display positive, then we go for yes absolute function only. Simple ABS they are giving, but unfortunately some other databases absolute is a keyword is there. Some databases ABS is there. Oracle also ABS is there. Write it, some theory, write it. Very easiest function this one, but whenever necessary I'm using only this one in a future. Write it absolute ABS. It is used to convert. Fastly write it. It is used to convert. It is used to convert negative sign into positive sign. Positive sign. It is used to convert negative sign into positive sign. Example, direct example, write it. Okay, yeah. Select ABS of in a number we are passing in a negative. Positive means positive only there, but negative sign we are converting into positive purpose only. We are using an absolute. Write it this one fastly. Select ABS of minus in a number from dual. Dual means testing, you know? Yeah. Completed. Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Actually, anywhere also negative signs we are converting into positive signs, but here just testing means dual we are using, because first time newcomer means testing only. But unfortunately, in a calculation part I'm using. Suppose this EMP table is there. For example, now here observe here. Check it out. Here maybe salary is a column is their numbers, commission is a column is their numbers. Maybe we are writing about commission minus salary, less value minus highest value means maybe negative sign or not. Yes, here less value minus highest value means okay, always a negative sign. Here 300 minus 1600, 500 minus 1250, like this only negative sign is there. In that case we are converting into positive sign. Suppose here select, don't write it here, select e-name I want to display my own wish. Again commission I want to display, salary I want to display, and also commission minus salary I am taking. Okay, now commission is the less values they are giving Oracle Corporation, and salary maybe sometimes high values. That's the reverse I am writing now from EMP. But unfortunately, whenever we are using a commission column based calculation, we are using means null values are there. That's why I don't want to take a null values. Means simple technique is there in a olden days. Operators, you have an idea not where now is not null is there. No, commission is not null. I'm not interested to take a null values. Suppose null values I'm taking means again NVL we are using. That's why I'm not interested to take null values. Means here I'm using a where condition, filter condition is not null I'm taking. Oh, now I'm displaying a report e-name. Yes, commission, salary, but commission minus salary means 300 minus 1600 minus 1300, 500 minus 1250 minus 750, 0 minus 1500. This is a minus 1500 only, it will display. But unfortunately, in a project report, for example, in a project reports, I don't want to display this negative sign. For example, okay, fine. Then immediately go for which one? Absolute. That's why absolute is not only testing purpose. Anywhere also expressions are there. In that case also possible. Here, this is an expression, some calculation part. Yes, here this calculations parts we are using in a where in a future inline views are there. In that case only helpful. That's why I'm telling only ABS like this. And now here check it out. Here just we are using an absolute. Okay, maybe now here I want positive sign means then we go for, otherwise not a problem. Okay, na? Yes, here. Oh, maybe anywhere also positive sign. Then actually here negative value is correct. But just my interest purpose is this negative signs converted into positive in a table also possible. That is I'm intimating to you. Fastly write it. Another example. Just this is also our testing understandable purpose. Example, write it. ABS means negative sign into positive sign. Remembering is enough. Write it fastly. This example, write it. Fastly write it today, because very important concept joins all the things today we are starting. That's better after these functions. Then merge is there, then DCL, TCL, so many things are there. Completed. Completed this one. Hello, completed. Hello, this one is completed fast. Next, absolute really not important. Just whenever negative sign is there in a way, that's just positive sign purpose. They are using only project side also. This will be useful. That's why I'm telling only not important also. And now here, nobody asking interviewer. Why? Because absolutely busy. But the next functions are important. 2 or 3 functions are important in a where in a number side. What is that one? First one, important one. Mod is very, very important. Mod of m comma n. This is most powerful. Write it. Mod of m comma n. mod, write it, and within the parenthesis m comma n, write it. Two parameters, x comma y, a comma b, p comma q, anything. Mod m comma n. What is mod means? Put a star. Very important. Mod in a future, I am also here also so many times we are using. What is mod function means? Very important. Suppose in a C language, Java, .NET, these type of languages side, if you want to find out a what, a reminder, then we are using a what, which symbol? Percentage symbol. Modulus operator is there or not? But unfortunately, Oracle not providing a percentage symbols to find out a reminder. In place of this one, just they are giving a what? A mod is a function. Very, very important. To find out a reminder, then we are using a what? A mod. Where this is helpful, even number of records, odd number of records, I want to retro from the where project report side, then we go for mod only. Without mod, impossible. That much powerful. First, mod m comma n means it will give us a reminder after m divided by n. M or n means m comma n means not mandatory. A comma b, x comma y, anything also, but Oracle Corporation giving m comma n, a comma b also not a problem. Parameters. Okay, na? Yeah, write it. It will gives reminder. It will give us a reminder after m divided by n. It will give us a reminder after m divided by n. It will give us a reminder after m divided by n. Okay, now here, observe it here. Suppose select, I'm giving only select mod of, now nobody mistaken this one. Now 10 comma 5 I'm writing only. What is the output? Fast, tell me. Reminder, not a question. Reminder. Very good. 0. Quotient means 2. 10 by 5 means so many fellows are 2. They are telling that is okay. So now here, yes, 10 divided by, so now 5 means 2 is a what? 2 5s are 10. That is everyone know. That is a quotient. But here reminder. Reminder means 0 or not? Yes, your reminder is a 0. Very good. Some fellows are telling you what 2 only. That is different. Now here, absolute here. Yes, here. Now check it out. I press enter key 0. Suppose in a future 10 divided by 2 means function is not required. 10 by 5 or 10 by 2 like this only from dual. In that case, here 2 only. That is different. This is division or not? Yes, here this is 2, but here mod of 10 comma 5 anything means this is a reminder. Where it will be using means I will tell you. First write it. Small example, very easy example. Write it. Select mod of any number comma another number, you are only give it. Just a testing. Okay, now actually this is very helpful in a future. Sub-query chapter is there. Okay, in a future big chapters are there. That is most powerful. In this chapter, I will tell you important concepts only. Queries, how we are writing big queries and all these things. Techniques, I will tell you easy. Now here, but that is important chapters only. In that case, I will tell you how can I find out even number of records. How can I find out odd number of records? If you want to find out even number, odd number means any number divided by 2. If remainder is a 0, then even number. That logic you are writing in a where, in a mod, in a future, some query side only. Suppose in a future your experienced person means not now. Just observe it here. Even number of records I am writing means in a future, not now. So now these are big queries are there. Okay, fine. Here, don't write it. These are all the things. Something is there. Okay, fine. Now check it out. These type of queries are there in a feature. Okay, fine. Observe it here. Reminder is equal to 0 like this only. MOD, now something I'm writing in a query in a where today you don't have an idea this query. Observe it here. Even number of records means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 is there or not? Yes, here. Suppose if I want to retrieve even number of records in my project, just some query is there in a future, not now. Today you don't have an idea Ronum and queries and all these things. Okay, something is there in a feature, another chapter side. In that case, somewhere I'm using a what? The mod is a function m comma n format is equal to 0. I'm telling or not? In a number divided by 2, if remainder is 0, in a future you are also writing this type of queries very easy. Then automatically even number of records are displayed. Suppose here odd number of records means what? 1. Remainder is a 1 or not? Yes, here any number divided by 2. If remainder is a 1, here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 is there or not? These are odd number of records. Very important interview questions, only those things in a future. Yes, here we are learning only those questions, even number of records, odd number of records, right? A query, so many interview are asking only. Okay, but today that much of knowledge you don't have an idea, just you have to remember the syntax. Oh, mod of m comma n, m mod n mod m, that is not there. Mod m comma n, we have to remember it. It will give us reminder after m divided by n. M and n are which one? Some parameters, that is numbers only. Okay, na? Yes, that is only remember it. Don't write it queries. Up to now you don't have idea. Next, third one. And now here, this is also, and now here check it out, concentrate here. This is concentrate here. What is that one means? Actually, maybe anybody attending a previous classes, I think I am telling round and trunk, I am telling or not? Date side I am telling no, round and truncate, but unfortunately round and trunks are number functions. But we are applying a dates also, but basically those are number functions. In a number function side, round is most powerful really. In a trunk, we are using in a very date side important, that one. This is round is number side important only. And now here, this is a little bit of big concept. Then only greatest is important, I will tell you. Now, this is also important. Round, write it. Round of m comma n. This is very interesting. Round of m comma n. This is a put a star because round some fellows are asking only number side. Date side, trunk they are asking. Round m comma n is also format. Round means everyone knows same like a mathematics, but it's second parameter is a negative is there. Then what is the answer you are telling me is center you are checking only. Remaining all the things maybe you are good, I think. Now check it out. Write it round m comma n. Fastly write it. It rounds. It rounds. Given floated value number. Given floated value number m. Based on n. It rounds given floated valued number m based on n. M comma n means not a mandatory. That is what, which was an m comma n, x comma y, p comma q, anything also names anything, not a problem. But okay, just they are giving like this one. It rounds given floated valued number m based on n. Okay, na? First observe here. First 2 or 3 queries, you are only telling outputs. Suppose I am writing, don't write it. Select. Yes, here round off. Very interesting. And now here 1.8 from dual. Now tell me, anybody good at mathematics means they are telling only yes, very good. Nobody mistaken. 2 is a correct answer. Very good. Why? Because yes, always okay. So now here 8 is there. Above 50% or not? Out of 10, above 50%. Above 50% is rounded to where? 2 only. Suppose 1.4 means 1, very good. 1.5 means greater than or equal to 50% also, which one? 2, very good, correct. So now that's why nobody mistaken this one. This is a mathematics. And now here above 50%, below 50% already I'm telling or not? Really, this is very easy. And now 2 only. And now here 2. Suppose I'm applying only 1.4. That is a what? 1, simple. 1.5 also 2, greater than or equal to 50%. No? Yeah. Fastly write it this one. This everyone knows. Outputs also write it too. Now check it out, concentrate. But this is the way nobody asking only. Negative number only they are asking a second parameter. All remaining all things everyone knows. Suppose this one very easy only, but unfortunately in a mathematics means okay, but here Oracle side 2 parameters. Regularly 2 parameters they are using in a project side. Whenever 2 parameters are there based on the second parameter, this one is rounded only. That is important. That is important. Now check it out. I am asking a what? One query only. Through that one you are only identifying. Suppose select I am writing. Round I am writing. Anything also my interest purpose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, anything. Okay, fine. Yes, like this only I'm writing. Now I'm writing about 4 or 5 or 3, anything I'm writing only from dual. Anybody telling you what this answer means, great. Don't execute only, guess it, because your checking is important. Your own way you are checking, not through okay, so system. Now tell me. 1 is the wrong answer, 2 is the wrong answer, 3 is the wrong answer. Maybe. Anybody good at mathematician means mathematics? 1 point, very good. 1 point correct. 1 point. Anybody? 1 point, maybe without explanation. 1 point. Very good. 2 correct. 1.2 correct. Very good. 3 correct. 1.23. 1.23. Okay, next some other number is there, that is important. 1.23. Anybody good at mathematics means they are telling only. Very good. One fellow is already telling. Now 1.23, 4 or 5. Very good. 5 is the correct answer. Very good. 5. How means very easy. 1.235 is a correct answer. Very good. So many fellows are telling only. Ajay, we know. Okay, very good. Yes, here 5 only. Now here, yes, here. Now check it out. How means 1 minute, observe here. Just I'm executing like this. 1.235 correct. But negative sign side you are telling me is great, but positive also same like a mathematics. 1.235 or not? Yes, here. Why means reason is there. Now check it out. 1 minute, observe here. Always how you are thinking first time newcomer means this is a m is a number. Okay, 1 minute, observe here. This is a m number. This is a n is a number. I want to round this number m based on n. Okay, logic, observe here. Round that number based on n. Suppose here m is a number, which one? 1 point, observe here. 1.2345, that is a number. That is I want to round based on n. I am giving a 3 only. Okay, fine. But how it will be executed? First step means 2-step process side internally executed by the server. Suppose here execution I am writing only in a step 1. Observe here. Step 1 here, slowly observe here. Now here concentrate. Here this is a n is a positive number, not a negative. Positive number. Then decimal point to left hand side to right hand side. How many number of digits means 3 means 3, 4 means 4, 5 means 5. Suppose here 1, 2 and 3 it will be taking first. Now here, that's why here 1 point. Now how many digits? 3 digits. 3 digits means after decimal point there is a positive number means left to right. That's why 2, 3, 4. But unfortunately round checks a what? Remaining number. Here 3 means 3 digits. No, here 1, 2, 3 digits. But unfortunately round checks a remaining number. Remaining number is how much? 56. This 56 means 6 means how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. That's why out of 100. 56 is a what? Above 50 or below 50? Very good. 56 is a what? Above 50%. Always it will check above 50% or below 50% or not. Above 50%. Whenever above 50% is there, 1 added to the where? Rounded number. That's why here 1.235. Very good. So many fellows are telling correct. Always round function checks remaining number. Remaining number is after the digits only. Okay, yes, here after floating point value, and now here the number of digits you are printing after that one. Okay, yes, here son of here always it will be checking a what? A remaining number. If remaining number is above 50%, out of 10, out of 100, out of 1000, like this only above 50%, then 1 added to the where? Rounded number. That's why here what happened here? Now here 56. Remaining number is 56. No, here remaining number 56 by 56 is above 50%. Above 50%. 50% above 50% means out of 100, out of 1000, out of 100. Here because 2 digits, no, out of 100. 1 digit means out of 10. Like this, everyone knows mathematics or not? Same thing. Out of 100. Now here check it out. But in a step 2, whenever this is above 50% means 1 added to the rounded number. 1.234. Here 1 added to the rounded number. That's why here automatically 1.235 is there or not? This is the correct answer. Simple. Now here suppose I am writing a what? Here tell me fastly. Now execution side here 1.234. Here now here 26. Fast. What is the output? 3 means 3 digits, okay. 1.234, okay, fine. 3 digits, but 26 is there. Out of 100, 26 is a what? Above 50 or below 50? Below 50. Below 50 means same number, 1.234. Very good. Who are telling about 1.234 is a correct answer. 1.234 is a correct answer here. 1.234 is there or not? Yes, here. First, this one here, write it. This example, write it. 1.235. Then I am telling important concept. Then executions also write it. First time, no? These executions also write it. Completed fast. Okay, internally, just stepwise, I am telling only step 1, step 2 means easily understandable. Okay, na? Finished fast. Okay, now, up to now, okay, this is same mathematics, but what they are asking into here, I will tell you. First, now here, anybody newcomer means write it fast. Round always checks, write it. Round means round function. Round always checks remaining number. If remaining number is above 50%, then automatically one number one is there, one added into the rounded number. One added into the rounded number. Okay, na? And now, up to now, this is a pure mathematics only, everyone knows. But unfortunately, you are interested to ask around means only one question. Intro question is there. What is that one? You are writing a what around m comma n. No, m is a positive number, but n is a negative sign means what happened? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. They are giving only. Anybody telling means correct answer means great. Negative sign is enter question, because a positive sign side difficulty is not there. No, that's why negative sign side maybe they're mistaken only. That's why they're asking. Suppose I am only writing, maybe anybody telling me is really great. Don't execute only, maybe guess it. Suppose I am writing a round off in a number. Suppose here I am writing a what 1 3 7 5 point 985 comma -1 from dual. Maybe anybody telling me is great, really great. This is totally different. Maybe what is this one? Minus they are giving. Minus means maybe you are thinking logically. Yes, decimal point to right hand side or left hand side. Very good. Right to left. Very good. Some fellows are guessing only. Negative sign means here this is decimal point, no, decimal point to right to left. This is -1. This is -2 position. This is -3 position, -4 position. Maybe how you are telling, I don't know. What is this one? Output. One fellow is telling Deepak, very good. Remaining all answers are wrong side. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Check it out. Shravani, yes, you are telling correct answer. Yashwant, you are telling correct answer. Yes, 1 minute observed here. Yes, here, observed. Concentrate, concentrate. First, check it out. What is the output? And now, slowly 1 minute observed. Execution means then you never mistaken. 1375.985 is a number I'm giving. Any number, just my interest purpose, any number I'm typing. Okay, not problem. This number I want to round based on negative sign. Suppose this number m I want to round based on this number n only. This is a positive number means very easy. This is a positive number means how can I one digits after decimal point 1375 point here. One number it will be adding now here, yes, here this is a one number means here one is there or not, yes, here. Why? Because here automatically it will be adding a what, if this 85 is a what, above 50% or not, yes, here. In that case one added to the rounded number, but unfortunately here negative side. Here negative sign, whenever negative sign is there, then control goes to where, decimal point to where, decimal point to where, right to left, like this, same like a substring something I'm telling. No, yes, in this case everyone good at mathematics means they well known persons. This is a -1, okay na, yes, here this is a what, -2 position, this is a what, -3 position, that easy. And now same like a mathematics, -3 position, this is a what, -4 position only, okay, fine, -4 position. But unfortunately -1 position, okay, so now here, yes, -1 position means how can I 137, and now here everyone knows -1 position, -1 position, this 5, this 5, this 5, this 5, how can I, so many fellows are 137 they are telling, so many fellows are 138 they are telling, some fellows are 139 they are telling. Very good, 3 answers, but 1 answer is correct. But how can I mean substitute here? Yes, mathematics side 137, 138, 139, only 1 answer is correct, but unfortunately here different. Whenever we are using an where in a databases, round function negative sign means -1 means this -1 position automatically set it to 0. -2 means -2 positions automatically set it to 0. You are telling a 0 or not, check it out purpose. Mathematics means 0 is not there, here 0. -3 means automatically these -3 positions are set to 0. -4 means automatically these -4 positions are set to 0. And also which one is a what, replaced with a 0, that number is a what, above 50% or below 50%, it will be checking. That's why here observe it here, execution observe it here, execution observe it, execution you have an idea means answers you are familiar. What the execution means, first step internally I'm telling only step 1, here 1 3, now here is 7 0, okay, in this first step. Why? Because observe it here, observe, that is not an answer. Now 5 is replaced with 0. This is a negative sign. No, negative sign means 5 is a number, last parameter, this is a -1 position or not. This is a -1 position means here 5 is replaced with 0. 5 is replaced with 0. Okay, fine. But in this case it will be checking a what, and also it will be checking a what is that one, which number is replaced with 0, 5, that number is above 50% or below 50% checking by the server. And also here 5 is above 50%. Out of 10 means above means greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to, not above, greater than or equal to or not, yes, here out of 10 5 is a what, maybe greater than or equal to 50% or not, yes, here. That's why here 5 is above 50%, 50% out of 10 or not, yes, here 1 digit means out of 10. Then 1, okay, so now here observe it here, whenever step 2, now here, yes, here whenever, okay, above 50% means 1 added to the rounded number, but where it will be added, 137, it will be added a what, in the 7 only it will be added a 1 only, not a 0. 0 is not there in mathematics, no, but unfortunately database side 0 is there. That's why 1 is added here only. That's why what the output, Very good. Who are telling a what? 1380. That is a correct answer. Who are telling a what? 1380 is a correct answer. Very good. So many fellows are telling a what? 1380. Yes, here those persons are good at mathematics. And now here, check it out. Copy this one. Sorry, I try to execute this one. And now here, observe it here. Just I try to execute, copy this one, anything. And now here I try to check. Here 1380 is there or not? Yes, here. Write it this one example. 1380. Okay, yeah. Now check it out, execution also write it. Then I am telling again enter question. I am telling first executions, write it easily understandable. Okay, na? I will tell you another example also, because the negative sign, no, negative sign means nothing is there. -1 means -1 position, -2 means -2 positions, or -3 means -3 positions automatically set to zeros. But which position is automatically set to 0? That number is above, so now above 50%, below 50%. It will be checking by the server. Out of 10, out of 100, out of 1000, above or below 50%. And whenever above 50%, 1 added to the where rounded number other than 0. No, yes, simple. Same mathematics, but 0 is there here. In a mathematics 138, no, yeah. Complete execution also write it. Output is 1380. Execution step 1 and step 2 write it. Okay, now I'm asking one fellow asking one more example. Yes. Hello. Now it is visible. Screen is visible. Hello. Screen is visible now. Okay, power is gone. That's why. Now here. Now check it out. Finished. Now here. Now I'm asking about another query, but anybody telling me is really great. Observe it here. Suppose very interesting. Select. Don't write it 1 minute only. Round off here. Anything. Maybe any number I'm giving only. For example, I am not interested to use a floating point number. What happened? Observe it here. 1, 4, 8, 5. Anything, comma. -2 I'm giving only. Now this is working or not working? Maybe guess it. Working or not working? Maybe working or not working? Yes, very good. Working. What is the output? What is the output? Very good. Who are telling what? 1500 is a correct answer. Very good. Correct. Who are telling what? 1500 is a correct answer. Very good. Correct. Now some fellows are guessing only. How means? I will tell you. First I try to execute this one. 1500 only. Now check it out. So now how means? Now execution, observe it here. Execution, observe it. 1 minute only. Execution, observe it. Then I am telling only. Now I am executing. Suppose step 1 here slowly observe it here. Now here floating point value not there, also not a problem. Yes, here right hand side to left hand side it will be taking. Right hand side to left hand side means -2 means how many zeros? 2 zeros here. 85 is replaced with zeros or not? Yes, here. That's why in this case 1400 generally. Now here, but here. Now what is that one? -2 means 2 digits. No, here 85 is replaced with 0. 0 means 0 zeros. Okay, na? 0 replaced with 0. And also and also 85, whatever number is replaced with 0, and also 85 is out of 100. Okay, 85 means 2 digits, no, 85 is above 50%, above 50%. So now here is in place of out of 100, out of 100, like that. Okay, now then only in a step 2, here internally our understandable purpose, here 1 add above 50% means 1 added to the rounded number or not. Here where that 1 added, other than zeros only, other than zeros means in this case here 1 only, then automatically 1500. Observe here 1500. That's why Oracle Corporation giving a what, given floated valued number, they are giving also wrong one. Why? Because whenever negative sign is there, yes, floating point number is not there, also working or not, yes, working. That's why here 1500 is a correct answer in this case. And now here check it out, here observe it here, now copy this one, and now here I try to execute like this, and now here 1500 is there or not, yes, here write it. Very good, so many fellows are telling. Okay, yeah, simple execution also write it. First time newcomer, no, positive number means very easy, negative also easy, but first time, no, check it out, steps through steps only, very easy. Slowly, okay, steps observed, nothing is there. Maybe pressure level they're asking only this one. These are all fundamental. Next onwards, joins onwards, very interesting subject, totally different. That's the main concepts. Completed fast. Fastly write it. A miscellaneous function sound X and B size, that is later. Okay, don't worry. Annual family decode, that is different situation. Completed fast. Okay, now. Okay, now. And now suppose my interest purpose, observe it here, screen observe it. This is a table is there, select a star from EMP. In this table you are observing or not, okay, salary column nobody using, just my interest purpose. In a salary column is there, here last digits I want, last 3 digits I want to 0. Possible. Without floating point values also possible. Okay, suppose last 3 digits I want to set it to zeros in my project reporting side. That is no use in this case, but my interest purpose I am telling only. Suppose I want to display name, comma, round off. Here the salary column, anything also. Here -1 means last digits are 0, -2 means last 2 digits are 0, -3 means last 3 digits are 0, and also automatically convert into where that is zeros only based on the requirement. Now here check it out. Yes, here 1000, 2000, 1000, like this is there or not? Yes, here just a small example, write it. Okay, checking, no use of this one, but maybe without floating point number also working. That is my intention, write it. Round important in a number side, trunk important in a date side. Trunk through first date of the week, first date of the month, first date of the year, I am telling you. Yeah, time portion also subtracting that one. Okay, yeah. Now trunk, write it. Trunk means truncate, trunk of m comma n. Trunk never important in a number set, dead easy, because it does not check remaining number above or below 50%. Just simply truncated or not. Yes, write it. Trunk m comma n, write it. It truncates, write it fast. It truncates given floated valued number, given floated valued number m based on n. It truncates given floated valued number m based on n. This is nobody mistaken because this function does not check remaining number is above or below 50% only. Okay, na? Yes, that is also right. This function, because this remove, no, this function does not check remaining number. Remaining number remove, no, remaining number is above or below 50%. Below 50%. It does not check because that number is removed. And that's why nobody mistaken here like this one. Suppose here select truncate off 1.8 from dual. What is the output? Very good, one only, because trunk means after floating point, when after decimal only whatever number is there, that will be truncated or not, trimmed, removed, simple. And now here like this only one is there. This is above 50%, below 50%, these type of things are not there. Simple, removed. And now here, yes, here. Now check it out. Yes, here like this. 1. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, write it. Everyone telling 1. Next, this one also tell me fast. Second one also. Maybe select truncate off 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything also, comma 3. I'm giving only from dual. This is also nobody mistaken. Fast. Very good. 1.234. Why? Because here remaining number, we get 3 means 3 digits, no. Remaining number, it does not okay, so no check. Just remove only this remaining number. Simple. And now that's why 1.23. And now here, where is that one? 1.234. No, yes, very good. All are telling a correct answers. Very good. Here 1.234. Here like this only. This one also write it. Then I am telling you what in this number function side important function I will tell you. Okay, now observe here. Very important. In a number function side, which functions are important means in a project side, here greatest and least. This is most powerful. These are very easy functions, but unfortunately, now here this is number set regularly using compared to where, okay, characters. Now write it. This is important. Greatest and least is important in every database. Greatest and least is there. Why important means I will tell you that some difference is there. PLSQL set somewhere we are applying. Write it. Greatest of expression 1 comma expression 2 dot comma expression n comma least of expression 1 comma expression 2 again comma expression n. Negative also same thing. That number remaining number is above 50%, below 50%, does not check zeros. Okay, yeah. Greatest of expression 1 comma expression 2 comma expression n, least of expression 1 comma expression 2 comma expression n. 5 minutes, concentrate this one. Why? Because these functions are regularly used in a project side. Number set regular, character set rare case. That's why I'm not applying character side, because okay, this one important concepts you have to remember. Now check it out. Concentrate here. First time recover. Suppose greatest means it returns a greatest value among given expressions. Least means it returns a what? Lowest value among the given expressions. Okay, definition okay, but practically what happened, observe it here. Write it. Greatest comma least. Okay, write it, some theory, write it. Greatest returns. Greatest returns maximum value definition is important among given expressions, whereas least least returns minimum value among given expressions. Whereas least returns minimum value among given expressions. Now 1 minute, observe it here. This is first time newcomer means, oh, nothing is there, greatest is there. Okay, fine, observe it here. Greatest is a function I am writing here. 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9, some values I am giving only from dual. This is nobody mistaken, nobody asking like this, because this is very easy. Oh, which one is the greatest value? 9 only. That one 9, it will be written negative, means negative. That your own wish. Okay, fine. This is 9. This is nobody mistaken. This is simple. But why this is important? This much of simple also means I will tell you now. First, this example, write it. Fastly write it, this example. Completed. Okay, now concentrate. Now onwards important, very important. 5 minutes concentrate. Already I'm telling. Suppose this is a table is there. Why this is important means different. This one really. This is a salary column is there. 1 minute, observe it. Here also numbers are there. Salary column is there. Numbers are there. Some salaries are there. Which one is the greatest salary? Which one is the greatest salary? Now screen, observe it. Greatest salary. Yes, here. Oh, maybe 5,000 is the greatest salary. I want to display this greatest salary from this EMP table. How can I? Fast, tell me. Very good. Select here greatest of which column? Salary column from EMP. What is the output? What is the output? What is the output? Anybody guess it? Now what is the output? What is the output? Fast. Very good. I am also, you are also, everyone telling what? Murli sir, nothing is there. 5,000. They are telling only wrong answer. 5,000 is a wrong answer. What is this one? 5,000 is a wrong answer. Not a greatest value. 5,000. What is this one? Really greatest value here 5,000 is there, but it does not return 5,000 only in this case. Wrong output. Now again. Anybody guess it? What is the output? Some fellows are telling error. Not error. Some output only. What is the output? Very good. What is the output means you don't know. So now why? Because it is you are a first time newcomer. Now observe here. Again, same all values are returned from this column. All values, it will be returned. What is this one? Why it will be returns all values? Now here check it out. Yes, all values it will be returns. But what is this one? Greatest means greatest value. Why it does not return means I will tell you. Observe here. That's why this is important function I'm telling. Actually, syntax is most powerful. Here, observe here. Greatest of expression 1, comma, expression 2, comma, expression n they're telling. And also, yes, your definition, anybody observing or not, yes, your definition, anybody observing or what, a definition, what they're telling, greatest returns maximum value among given expressions. More than one expression is there, then only greatest and least functions are working. Single expression means it is not working. Here we are passing what greatest of, here only salary we are passing. You are not passing another column, that's why not working. Here, what is the significance of the greatest means number of expressions, more than one expression. That is important. And now that's why it is not working. Suppose single column means single column means a single expression means don't go for greatest only. Max function we are using. Already group function on idea or not. Single column means we are using a what? Greatest value means max value. Max function is a group function already in a previous classes on idea or not. If you are passing a single column in a where maximum value you want or greatest value you want, then we are using a max function. But where we are using a greatest means more than one column, where how it will be useful means I will tell you. And now suppose here single column means don't go for greatest only. Here, just here in place of greatest, we are using a max. Already have an idea or not? Max means here 5000 is there or not? Maximum value. But where the greatest we are using a different situation. Where means multiple columns. Suppose this is a salary column, commission column, department number column. I'm passing, for example, these are numbers. Suppose here 820 and vocational value. Again 1600, 300 and 30. Again 1250, 300 and 30, 500. And 1250, 1400 and 30. That's why yes, multiple values horizontal wise. Suppose here now this one not null values, you have to check it out. 1600, 300 and 30 is there. In these three values, which one is the greatest value? 1600. Yes, here 1250, 1400 and 30. Which one is the greatest value? 1400. That's why so many list of values are there in a horizontally, in a row wise. In that row wise, which one is the greatest value you want to find out? Then we go for which one? Greatest. In that case, max is not working. Observe here. Really, that is correct. I want interested to check. Select ename, comma, salary, comma, commission, comma, greatest time writing only. Now here, sorry. Greatest I'm writing. In a greatest of here, two expressions I'm writing, salary, comma, commission. Yes, possible. Now here from EMP, I'm not interested to take a null values. That's why where commission is not null. Our checking purpose, yes, working. Now check it out. Yes. Here 1600 and 300 is there. In that one, greatest value, which one? 1600. Yes, so 1250 and 500 is there. Which one is the greatest value? 1250. And now 1250, 1400 is there. Which one is the greatest value? 1400. Yes, 1500 and 0 is there. Which one is the greatest value? 1500. That's why in a real-time project side, monthly sales, okay, so now reason side sales. In that case, here, okay, which one is a more expensive product? Which one is the least expensive product in that row? Yes, here, which one is the lowest value? Which one is the highest value? In that case only, we are using a greatest and least. That's very important, this one. In a row wise group, okay, so now here, yes, as a record wise only, in this record only, which one is a maximum value, which one is a, okay, so now here, yes, least value. That's why some interviewer asking, this is a table is there. Okay, fine. Observe here how beautifully asking only. In this column, take two columns are there. A is a column, B is a column, and C is a column is there. In this one, values are there. Okay, fine. Observe here, beautiful questions. These are 1, 2, 3. Here, these numbers are there like this. Now, I want to calculate the in a B column. No, okay, maximum value they're asking. Then we are using a single column maximum value means we are using a which function here? Max. Okay, na? But unfortunately here only horizontal I want to display. In these three rows, in these three rows only, which one is the maximum value I want to display here? They're asking me, don't tell max only. In this case, which one? Greatest. Here, greatest. That's why here always rows wise, multiple columns wise, yes, maximum value means greatest we are using. Single column wise, we are using a max. That is important. That's why greatest of expression 1, comma expression 2, comma expression 3, comma expression n they are giving, and also it returns maximum value among the given expressions. That is important. And also whenever you are writing a OCP, OCA, these type of level of examinations means yes, so many fellows are greatest of salary or some column names they are giving all in that one output. Yes, your greatest value they are writing, and none of the above they are writing, no row selected writing, all the values are writing. So many fellows are mistaken. All the values only it will be written single value, single column is there, but nobody checking in a way practically. That is a problem. That's why those type of questions also some test side they are giving only. Okay, na? Yes, you are checking or not, check it out purpose, these type of things. Write it example. Example, write it. Horizontally you have to check it out. Okay, na? Least means least only. Okay, yeah. Completed, fast. Okay, greatest is important, least is okay. Least is opposite, no, nothing is there. This greatest and least I'm using in a PLSQL side, some expression side, don't worry. In that case, max is not working. In that case, only we are using. Completed, fast. Next, another function, two functions are number function, not important. That is CL, floor, but that is available in every database. That's why I'm telling only, write it, CL, floor. CL, floor. CL, floor. And now check it out, concentrate. This is not important also, better to know, because all the databases, these functions are there, CL, floor, not important. And now what is CL, what is floor means? Nothing is there. CL means what? Ceiling only, very good. Floor means what? Flooring only, finished. And now here, observe here, nothing is there. But unfortunately, now concentrate here. Actually, output I want to return, I want integer, not a floating value. Up to now, round, truncate, these functions returns a floating point numbers or not. But these functions returns not a floating point, only numbers, integers only it will be returned, only integers. Only integers only output I want means then we go for SCR, CL, floor functions. But these functions always returns integers only output. But CL means what? Nearest greatest integer. Whereas floor returns what? Nearest lowest integer. Which one means just easily you are checking only in a practically. Write it. Write it CL, floor. These functions always returns integers. Integers means not a floating point values, okay? Integers. CL returns, CL means CL function returns nearest greatest integer, whereas floor returns nearest lowest integer. CL returns nearest greatest integer, whereas floor returns nearest lowest integer. Okay, for example, your understandable purpose, small examples I'm telling. Maybe you are only telling output, select CL of here, CL of maybe 1.3 or 4 I'm giving only from dual. Anybody guess it output? Maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 1.4 or 1.5 or 1.3. Only one answer is correct. Very good, integer. Very good, integer. But CL means nearest greatest integer. Very good, greatest integer. 1 or 2 or 1.5. Okay. Output is a number, integer. Okay, not a floating point. Very good. Output is integer, not a floating point value. Observe here, which one is a which one is correct answer? Means simple technique is there. I am using. Suppose maybe so many fellows are mathematics. They are good. Means XY coordinates. You have an idea or not? Yes. Then your imagination like this means very easy. Okay. Simple numbers means big numbers means in a where a calculator is required. And now here check it out. Here 1 is there. For example, 1. Here 1.1, here 1.2. For example, your imagination 1.3, here 1.4, here 1.5, here 1.6, here 1.7, 1.8, like this only. Here 2 is there. For example, your imagination like this means easy, nobody mistaken. Here 2 is an integer, here 1 is an integer. In between that one, so many floating point values are there or not? Yes, the CL returns here. Okay, fine. Here the control is available in a where 1.4. This 1.4 nearest integer is what? 1 and 2 is there. Okay, na? Yes, really, which one is the nearest? 1 is the nearest actually, but unfortunately, nearest integers, 2 integers are there. Here 1 is a 1 integer and 2 is another integer. These two are nearest integers really. Okay, now first integers only left and right hand side. But unfortunately, CL returns nearest greatest integer in these two, 1 and 2. Which one is upper value? Which one is the greatest value? Very good. 2 is the greatest value. Very good. 2 is the correct answer. And now here, very good. So many fellows are telling you what 2? Yes, correct. Really correct. Very good. The 1.3 also 2. Okay, why? Because 1 and 2 is there, but unfortunately in that one, 2 is the greatest. Simple. And now here, check it out. Really, that is correct or not? Maybe trunk means 1, round also 1, but in the CL means 2, like this. Here 2 is there or not? Middle of the record you want means in that some cases they are using, otherwise nobody using these functions. Just idea purpose I'm telling 2. Okay, na? Yes, here. Very good. Write it this one. Now floor side, tell me fast. Select floor of maybe 1.8 from dual. Fast. Floor means flooring only. Okay. Yes, yeah. Very good. All are telling correct answer. Very good. 1. Why? Because here everyone knows here 1.8 is there. For example, mathematically you are good means very easy. Here 1 is there. Here 2 is there. Really 2 is a nearest integer, but unfortunately nearest integers 2, 1 is there here and 2 is there. But in a 1 and 2, which one is the lowest value? 1. Very good. 1 it will be written. Correct. I am also, you are also first time newcomer. 2, you are thinking 1. Very good. Correct. All are telling you what 1 is a FLO or now here, yes, here spelling only mistake only. Now here, yes, here 1.8 means 1. Okay, na? Spelling. Okay, mistaken only. Just FLOOR. Okay, na? Here OOR. Floor. Write it this one. Okay, na? These are the minimum lowest level basics. That's why first up to now, up to today, we are learning about a select statement, but now onwards, very important. Actually, main concepts in a very SQL in every database, SQL language means what are the main concepts? Very good. The 3 chapters are most powerful. Joins. Mandatory. Every database, either SQL Server, either Oracle, either okay, so DB2, either Sybase, anything. Anywhere also enter question that one. Again, constraints. Constraints means primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null, like this. Very important chapter, this one. Good knowledge you are getting. Okay, subqueries. Subquery is a very big chapter, very important. Query with another query. So many things are there in every database also same. These 3 chapters are main. In that, after that one, views, sequences, synonyms, okay, TCL, DCL, these all the merge statement, these all the things are available or not? Yes, here. Now here, main heading joins. Joins. Very important. Joins. CL means nearest greatest integer. Okay. Now joins. What is joins? Very important. Now here, check it out. The up to today we are retrieving a data from single table. Okay, na? Single table only there. From that single table only we are writing a small queries. Okay, fine. Just a select statement we are using. But unfortunately, joins means now if you want to retrieve the what data from multiple tables, more than one table is there in a project side. How can I retrieve the what? Data from multiple tables means some specialized where condition we are using, that is called joins. Very important. Now this specialized condition is called joins. Very important. That's why joins is a terminology. That's all. Joins means specialized where condition within a select statement. Some rules based I am telling only. Joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables. Write it. Joins, write it something. Joins are very important. These all the things. Joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables. Underline it. Joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables. Okay, now, but unfortunately, these so many tables are there in your project. But you are writing a what some joining condition means where condition. I will tell you, don't worry. Otherwise, on class in and INI joins. Okay, but unfortunately, those joins really correct or not? How they are checking a what senior most programmer means? Suppose three tables we are joining means compulsory we are writing a what 3 minus 1 two joining conditions we are writing in a very class. Suppose 90 100 tables we are joining means yes 99 joining conditions we are writing only. Suppose 5 tables we are joining means 4 joining conditions we are writing. Suppose 4 tables we are joining means 3 joining conditions we are writing. Otherwise your join is wrong one. That's why whenever when a mathematically this concept they are telling in a where in ANSI standards means how they are telling whenever we are joining a what n tables, so compulsory we are writing a what how many conditions n minus 1 joining conditions. Suppose 2 means 2 minus 1 1 joining condition, 5 tables joining means 4 joining condition, 7 table joining means 6 joining condition, 9 table joining means 8 joining conditions are not, otherwise your join is wrong side. Write it. In all relational databases, in all relational databases, when we are joining n tables, then we must use n minus 1 joining conditions. N minus 1 joining conditions. N minus 1, 1 less. Okay. Yeah. This is a rule. Otherwise, your joins are wrong outputs only. Okay. Don't worry. This is a mathematics rule only. EF Cod is a mathematician. He is designing a what so many rules and they are testing only. Okay. All the things. N minus 1 joining conditions. Okay. Na? Yeah. Next, write it. Oracle, write it. Oracle server having, Oracle server means Oracle. Oracle server having following types of joins. These are 1 minute only. Wait, very important here. Now what are the joins are there? Don't write it here. Different terminology, different concepts. Now first one is very important concept, equi-join, most powerful. Or some fellows are, this is, don't write it. Okay, that is also called as inner join. Don't write it here. Observe here. Second one is non-equi-join. Non-equi-join. Third one is most powerful concept here, self-join. Every database self-join also there. And also another one is what? Outer join. Outer join. Terminologies are most powerful and practically very interesting. Now write it. Now write it, then I am starting some things suddenly differently. Now Oracle server having following types of joins. These are, write it. First one, equi-join or inner join. Second one, non-equi-join. Third one, self-join. Fourth one, outer join. Equi-join, non-equi-join. Second, sorry, equi-join or inner join. Second one, non-equi-join. Third one, self-join. And fourth one, outer join. Observe it. Don't disconnect. Work very important. These are all the things. So now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose anybody, okay, I am telling like this, but anybody referring a what? In a MySQL database, in a SQL server database in a Google, in a Teradata database in a Google, you are observing means some other joins also there. Which one? Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, natural join. So many concepts are there. Where those concepts in a Oracle? So many fellows having a doubt. Those joins also available in Oracle? Yes, those joins also available. Why you are telling about only 4 joins first? Yes, reason is there. Now check it out. Observe here. Yes, Up to Oracle 9i, in our Oracle, only these 4 joins only available. That's why these 4 joins are also called as 8i. Oracle 8i version is there, no? 8i joins only. These 4 joins are also called as what? 8i joins. Now Oracle 9i onwards, along with these 4 joins, another joins also there, left outer, right outer, full outer, natural. These joins are there, same like other databases. Those joins are also called as 9i joins or ANSI joins. That is in all database supported. But these 4 is Oracle side is there. Oracle programmer, all the joins they are learning, but easy. And now here most powerful, that's what terminology so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. And now here just in a project side, use a 8i join, use a 9i join, they use a ANSI join, they're telling only, they're confusing. But one by one we are learning means nothing, very easy. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7, that is 8i, yes, 9i, 10g, 11g, 12c, 18c, 19c, 21c, these softwares are there. In a Oracle 8i up to Oracle 9i, yes, here these joins are there. That's why maybe, so now here olden days programmer, they are called it as a go 8i joins, these 4. 8i means don't worry, now here up to Oracle 9i, these joins only available. But Oracle 9i onwards, along with these joins in every database, some other joins are there, no, same like all other database joins. Those joins also supported by 9i version onwards Oracle. That is called 9i joins or ANSI joins. Very, very important. Now, first terminology, write it. Then I'm telling those 9i joins also, write it. These joins mean these 4, okay? Na? These joins are also called as Oracle 8i joins. Oracle 8i joins. Along with 8i means version, I means internet, okay? Along with 99, along with these joins, Oracle 9i onwards, Oracle also supports ANSI standard, American National Standard, ANSI standard joins, same like all relational databases. Same, all relational databases. Practically you are learning all relational databases. These joins are also called as 9i joins. 9i means 9i version onwards working, okay? 9i joins, or some fellows are calling out which one? ANSI joins. ANSI joins means in every database that is working, same syntax. But first 4 means Oracle only, it will be there, okay? But why they are telling Oracle joins also means once those joins you have an idea means now here, yes, here. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, okay, na? Yes, 9i joins or ANSI joins. Actually, why I'm starting about joins today, at least introduction means tomorrow so many fellows are okay, maybe Saturday, no, they are not attending. That's why just at least introduction I'm telling means important point you are understandable. Because joins you are not attending means totally not understandable anything. That much of powerful. Now 9i joins or ANSI joins. Now 1 minute, 1 minute observe here. What are the 9i joins are there or ANSI standard joins are there means don't write it, don't 1 minute only. Here first one is inner join. That is a keyword is there, most powerful. Next one is left space, outer space, join or left join. Practically, I'm showing so many examples only, then easily understandable. Right space, outer space, join. Otherwise, right join also. Outer is optional keyword. Another one is full space, outer space, join. Yes, here. Next one is what? Here, natural join. Cross join also there. That is, I'm not noted down only. Why? Because cross join explicitly I'm telling first only. That much powerful. Write it. 9i joins or ANSI joins. Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, natural join. Okay na? Practically very interesting what happened, how it will be executed, executions also first onwards I'm telling, construction also I'm telling, very interesting only. Okay na? Completed up? Yeah. Okay na? Up to this one is enough today. Okay. Next class onwards, don't miss those important concepts. Why? Because those are really using in a project side or interview side also they are asking. That's why tomorrow you're attending or not, I am not understandable. Tomorrow class, otherwise next Monday next class. Okay na? Yeah, tomorrow some fellows are rest only. Okay, not a problem. Evening. Monday is our next class. Tomorrow there is no class only because it is important topic. You know, some fellows are missing me. It's totally lost. Monday I will tell you, but in that week don't miss the classes. Okay, total week, total important in those concepts onwards. Totally so important. Now here Monday I will tell you. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Monday will continue. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue these joins concepts. Okay na? Yeah. Monday will continue. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. Joins we are telling in a way practically Monday. Once we are learning a perfectly means any number of databases also same. Okay na? Monday will continue. Thank you. Thank you so much. Monday will continue. Tomorrow there is no class. Okay. Monday will continue.